SWAN is a global organization that stands for the Smart Water Networks Forum. In one sentence, we are a data-driven organization focused on accelerating the use of digital technologies in drinking water, wastewater, and stormwater networks. To take on this journey of smart water, essentially for us, right, the adoption of those digital tools is a journey, and you might be at different stages. So the goal at SWAN is to make sense and help you and guide you through that journey by producing the content, curated content that's relevant for you. So that educational component, we guide through research and through just our collaborative ecosystem of thought leaders. And I think many of our members are overlapping in that sense that they have a wealth of information to share. I think collectively we're in the right path, and I've seen that water, at least specifically the water sector over the 7 years, move towards that path of being more data driven in their strategies, whether it's a full 5-year strategy that's based on clear KPIs and metrics to stay accountable, or just different benchmarks and frameworks to help guide, right, their digital maturity and their digital transformation journey. So I think that future, to me, that's what it looks like. It's data-based, it's backed, it's a little bit more innovative in terms of adoption of where we stand, maybe a little bit of a difference in that risk averse or hesitancy mindset. I think that would be a nice future, but I think the onus is on all of us to prove the value, and that future is based on that move to things that are a little bit more evidence-based. For example, a very large engineering firm is looking to partner with an AI-focused wastewater intelligence company. So they look to monitor pipelines through the use of AI and machine learning to be able to detect ahead of time, right, likelihoods of failures. And so this large engineering firm was looking to add on the skill sets of that, let's call it agile, very fast-paced startup as part of their offerings to utility clients. And so the work I did was to map out what would, again, that successful public-private partnership be? What is the criteria for success? What are some exit strategies, and to facilitate those types of workshops? So that's a little bit my role. Also, the innovation title is what I'm most passionate about, is those digital technologies that are truly helping water utilities on the performance level and mitigating risks. I'm also really interested not only in the innovation on the technology side, which is hopefully we all agree is fascinating, but also not just being attracted by the shiny, but how can we prove the value and increase adoption by also looking at other sides of technology, which is also the business model side of things. So how can we look at procurement in a different type of way in order to increase adoption? So I'm interested in innovation across the board, from change management perspective, from procurement, from technology. That's my role at SWAN, is to come up with these types of ideas and keep our members engaged, and of course add to our membership portfolio.